you have your reservation?
Yes.
May I have your name and your how many person, please?
I am Arlene. Thank you for what?
Would you prefer smoking or not smoking area?
I prefer non-smoking.
Ma'am, this way, please. Is this table okay for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Please have a seat. Ma'am, may I unfold your table napkin?
Yes.
Thank you. Excuse me. Ma'am, how about some refreshing drinks? Start with, would you like some iced tea or pineapple juice?
Some right.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's our iced tea drinks.
Thank you.
By the way, my name is Ana Maria Siripada, and I will be blind attendant for today. Just don't hesitate to call me whenever you need something.
Okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some water. Excuse me, po. Excuse me, ma'am. Please have a freshly brewed drink.
Thank you.
Excuse me, po. Ma'am, I would like to present you our menu for your selection. I will take your order whenever you're ready. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order?
Yes, I would like to order one order of steak.
That's all, ma'am.
Yes.
I will suggest to you cupcake or pizza, coffee or orange juice.
I don't want to order that.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I please?
Yes.
This is your ice cream. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. Thank you, ma'am. I received 1,000 pesos and I be your bank for change and receipt. Excuse me, ma'am. Please your change. Thank you for dining with us and I hope to see you again next time.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I refer to our wine of your selection? Which one would you prefer, ma'am? A bottle of white wine or red wine? Red wine. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you our Primo white wine, which is a Vermelonite, a product of Napa Valley with a vintage year of 2017, an alcohol content of 20%, has aroma and alkaline. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you a bottle of Premium Light, a product of Napa. Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Anna Mary speaking. How may I help you? Certainly, ma'am. Do you have a menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it? May I have your name and room number, please? Thank you for that information. Okay, Miss Perez, of room 309, may I take your order? Would you like a tea or coffee? How about bread to go with it? Is there anything else would you like to do order? Okay, Miss Perez, may I repeat your order? You order for tea and bread, is that correct? Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it right away or at the specific time? The total amount anything else if I can help you with? Okay. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Room service. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Anna Mercy Ricola, your room service for today. This Erich room of 309. May come in? Yes, please. Tita. Ma'am, do you want me to leave it in your table or present?
Leave it to my table.
Okay, ma'am.